Punch anything, don't break it.
Oh, she off the hook in the front. Oh, you don't scoot down. Scoot down.
You guys, been the end of my life.
Get your seatbelts are on, snuggie.
Oh, next time we're gonna ride it.
I don't know what to hold on to. My bag is like
That motor was a fool.
Monster truck!
I know, right?
And if you had that motor like a Chevy or something.
I know what I'm doing. Your phone away. I don't trust you.
All right. Are you ready? Have you been here before? Okay, I thought you looked familiar. Earlier today, huh? Yeah? How about last year? Were you here last year? You were shorter last year, though, huh? Yeah? Hair was a little longer? Yeah? Okay. See, I remember everybody. Yeah, I'm just kidding you. I don't remember you. Yeah, I do from earlier, though. Not last year. Since I've seen you last year, probably 15,000 people. So, but earlier today, I'll remember. Mine's not completely gone. What am I doing? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm driving. Yeah, see, I expect you guys out. Is it okay if I yell? Okay, really scream out when I hand you this. Okay? That's the time to panic. Because that means I'm just giving up.
And cameras, that's the end of the ride. Bye.